Hello everyone, welcome back to class. It's been a while. Last class we discussed plosive sound. So today we are going to be discussing fricative sounds. So what do we call fricative sounds? Fricative sound, the word is gotten from the word friction. Friction, that is, air is pushed through a narrow space, creating a kind of hissing or buzzing sound. That is, hair is not stopped but rubbed against our teeth or lip when we're pronouncing. So we have voiceless fricative. So one of it is as in fan, coffee, phone, laugh. Then as in sun, city, rice, pass. Then we have as in sheep, nation, machine. Also we have as in think, bath, thoughts, and so on. Then we have voiced fricative. Voiced fricative. That's as in van, of, love. Then we have as in zoo, rose, busy. Also we have the as in this, mother, smooth, though. Then we have measure, vision, bish. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.